The IQOO Z9 Lite 5G combines impressive performance with cutting-edge technology. Let's check it out. The IQOO Z9 Lite features a sleek and modern design with a premium finish. It's lightweight and slim, weighing just about 185 grams, making it comfortable to hold and easy to carry around. The phone is available in two stylish colors, Aqua Flow and Mocha Brown, each offering a unique and elegant look. Now let's talk about the performance. The Z9 Lite powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast performance. The octa-core CPU architecture delivers seamless and lag-free gaming sessions, super fast scrolling and efficient streaming. The 5G connectivity ensures blazing fast internet speeds, perfect for downloading large files, streaming high-definition videos, and enjoying online games without any lag. The phone comes with 4GB or 6GB of RAM options and 128GB of internal storage, providing ample of space for all your apps, photos, videos, and files. If you need more space, the device supports expandable storage via microSD card, allowing you to add up to 1TB of extra space. Now let's talk about the display. The Z9 Lite features a 6.56-inch LCD display. It also boasts a
Presenting IQOO Z9 Lite 5G smartphone. It is available in 6GB RAM, 128GB storage and 4GB RAM, 128GB storage. The available color variants are Mocha Brown and Aqua Blue. It has 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. It comes with dual SIM 5G which has VoNR support. Designed with 6.56 inches ultra bright display, 840 nits high brightness and 90 Hz refresh rate. Featured with 50 megapixel Sony AI camera and 2 megapixel bokeh camera with AI photo enhancer, night mode and unmatched portrait filter. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G with 414,564 in 2.2 score, 2.4 Hz clock speed and octa-core CPU architecture which gives you effortless multitasking experience. It is equipped with large 5000 mAh battery which ensures lasting enjoyment throughout your day. The box includes cell phone, charger, USB cable, eject tool, quick start guide, warranty card and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.